All right, we're back. We are back. We've had high winds here all the last 24 hours. I'm talking like 50, 60 mile per hour winds. And the power company is turning it on and off, recycling everything. So we're back, everybody. Tap that screen. Let's go. All my lights flickered. Backup comes on, and then the stream couldn't have enough juice, so I had to recycle it all. We're back, folks. We're back. We're going to start over with Google. Keep tapping. Let's go. Let's go. Andrew Wester with the rose. Look at that. It's Tuesday already. It's Tuesday already. In a snap of a finger, we went offline and back online. How do you like that? Lino with the gold medals. Let's go. Did you know? Yeah. Do you know Voss has the power to make it Tuesday in a matter of a snap of a finger? Good. I hope the power doesn't keep going on and off. We'll see. Good morning. We're back. Powers from all the high winds. They're recycling our what do you call it? Our electricity. Let's go. Do I have Fortnite? No, I don't play games. I'm not 6. Let's go. Tap the screen. Let's go. Carry with the heartbeat. Let's go. Narrow state. All right, here we go. Google. Back to Google. We are in a narrow state. Above 187.66 up. Under 186.69 down. On the 5-minute, we know under for a short, the whip zone, 186.33. We have major support. Let's mark it. 186.33, major support there on the 5. I just deleted it. To the upside, 188. We have a whole number and major resistance on Google tomorrow to the upside. 188. Mark these levels down. 188 up, 186 down, okay? Those are your two granddaddies. 186 under the whip zone. You also have your 20 on your hourly market. Above 187.66, we have the granddaddy of them all at 188 right here in our way market. Moto Advantage with the rose and another rose. Yes, it is. Let's go, Amazon. Right now on Amazon, we are in a narrow state. Tomorrow, above 229.17 up, 228.46 down. Market. On the 5 minutes, above 229.17 to the upside. You'll also be coming off the 200s. You look good up. On the 15, you look good. On the hourly, you have room up to 230. 230 on Amazon, 230 on the hourly. Under the whip zone of 228.46, you have room down to 227. Market. 227 on Amazon. Meta. I always nail Meta. Nail it. Nail it. Let's do it. Meta right now, you are in a neutral state. You got to get over 741 up or 735 down. 741 up, 735 down. Under 735 down, you have room to 733. Market, 733. On the 15-minute, 733. On the hourly, 733. And then you have room down to 728. On Meta to the upside, above 741, we're going to pull this back. You are in a neutral state. If you go above 741, you're not going to go very far. You're going to get a pullback on this. KSHG with the rose. Let's go, team. Let's go, babies. Good morning, KK. Peter Madzukis. Good morning, Peter. Dawn Breakers, good morning. I'll be whoever you want me to be. The worst guys in the world, good morning to you. What else do we got? BBAI. Let's do it. Big Bear, penny stock. We are in a neutral state on Big Bear, above 925, up under $9 to the downside. On the 5-minute, if you get above 925, right there, granddaddy of them all, 934 on Big Bear. That's as far as you go. You're going to get a rejection off of that. Under $9 to the downside. And you have room down to 850 on Big Bear, 850. Terrible stock. Yeah, I don't mess with penny stocks. 95% of all traders lose on penny stocks. Silver liquid with the rose. Let's go, my babies. What else are we looking at? We got to do Uber. Uber. Right now, Uber, you will be in a narrow state above 79.73 up, under 79.28 down on Uber. On the 5-minute, you look good, guys. On the 15, you're delicious. On the hourly, here we go. Uber, above 79.50, you have room up to 80.50. Under the whip zone, 79.28. Gets a little dicey here. You have room down to 78.74, and then you have room down to 77 whole number. Market. Uber. Uber. Dragstar, the best place to learn is in our VIP. Our VIP is open. You're going to head over to thevosstrading.com. Right there, the link is in all my bios on my TikTok, my YouTube, my Twitch, my X, my Instagram. That is where you will find our VIP, or just simply go to thevosstrading.com. $25 a month or $275 for the entire year, and we will teach you how to trade. Yeah, I got to take a new screenshot of that. We're over 50,000 followers now. Let's go, my babies. Keep tapping. Let's go. We're not even at 10,000 taps. Guys, if you don't tap, I will shut this off. I do not need to be here. Remember that. Good morning. Checking on 1966. Danny Padilla with the follow. Kiki with the follow. Thank you. Thank you, user with the GOAT. I appreciate you. Let's go, everybody. What do you want to look at? Put it in the chat. Let's go, my babies. Keep tapping. AVGO. Yes, you heard about that news. If you haven't, go Google it. There's this thing out there, people. It's called Google. But Voss, I use YouTube to learn how to trade. How are you doing? I lose every month. Well, keep using it. 233.50 up, 232.50 down on AVGO. On the 5-minute, you look glorious. 15 looks good. Hourly, let's pull it back. Under 232.50, you got room to 228. 228. Above 233.51, you have room up to 236. Market. It starts to get a little dicey up here with your 1-hour pivots. Do you see it? Folks, there's two things you're never going to do. You're never going to trade into the 200, and you're never going to trade into a whole number. Does everyone understand that? Mark that down. Never trade into a 200. Never trade into a whole number. Kiki with the rose. Thank you, my Kiki. Yeah. Let's go. Look at all these follows. What's up, Chewy? Boop, 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 boop. Tennessee. AMD to the moon. Let's see. Oh, I love this. We are in a narrow state. Yeah. AMD. This is my number one, everybody. So that's why I'm so pumped. Above 113.24 up. Under 112.89 down on AMD. On the 5-minute, you have room down to 112.50. 112.50 right here. The ATR on AMD has gone down significantly. Okay? You can't trade AMD tomorrow and this week like you did 3 months ago. Totally different. Check your ATRs. Voss, what's an ATR? How long you been trading? 5 years. Are you any good? No. And you don't know what an ATR is. 112.50. Above 113.24 to the upside. 113.24 up. You have room up to 115 on AMD. 115. To the downside, you have a lot of resistance support down there. ATR, what the hell is that? King Bob, what the hell are you talking about? My digital hustler, Alice with the follow. Let's go, babies. Tesla to the moon. Do you all know what is the top stock all amateurs trade? Put it in the chat. I want to see if you guys know. What is the number one stock all amateurs trade? Put it in. Nate King, it's the 200. Yes, it is. It's Tesla. 92% of all novice traders that fail trade this stock. You know why? Because they're looking for the get-rich-quick scheme. Above 350, 650 to the upside. Under 350, 270 down. You are in a neutral state on Tesla to the upside. Starting to get wide. Our VIPers know what to do with that. On the 5-minute, under 350, 270. You have room down to 350.50. The granddaddy of them all will be waiting for you right there. On the hourly, above 356.46, you have room up to 359 on Tesla. Starting to get wide on Tesla, everybody. Yoo-hoo! There's a hint. Lana Shepe with the rose.
Well, let me put on my pre-market data.
Let me put on my pre-market data. SMCI, let's do it. Let's do it, my babies. Keep tapping. We are at 15,000. I want to hit 50,000 taps in 10 minutes. Go! SMCI. Who's studying today? Who's studying today? Or who's wasting their time watching Netflix? We'll do that next. SMCI, 48 up, 46, 44 down. Has Netflix gotten you to your goals? No. On the 5-minute, under 46.44, you have room down to $46 whole number. On the 15, yeah, you're a little extended on this. SMCI, you need a pullback on this. Above a 48.19 up, you will get a pullback. To the downside, you have room down to 43.50. Market. Woo! Studying all day, yes. I told you, in the VIP, all the successful traders have all the same characteristics. You all have the same characteristics. You show up every day. You show up to every Tuesday and Thursday night live training that I do. You post all your trades in the VIP trades every single day. It's the same characteristics. Everyone who posts trades in the VIP trades, you all are growing as a trader. Then we have the traders that you'll see them like every 2 or 3 months. They pop in, they pop out. They go into the VIP chat. I made $350 today. No, you didn't. And then they don't post their trades. I don't understand these people. Studying for my intermediate accounting. Nvidia. You know, most accountants I know hate their job. Why is that? Every accountant is miserable. Did you ever notice that? I don't get it. Especially during tax season. Here we go. We are in. That's where you're making your bread and butter, baby. Be happy. Woo! Nvidia, we are in a neutral state. Above 139.22 up. Under 137 down. Remember, what are 2 things we don't do, traders? Put it in the chat. What are two things we never do? We never trade into whole numbers. So under the whip zone of 137.37, we are not taking a trade into that whole number right there. You must get under that whole number with a retest. So get under 137 with a retest to the downside. On the 5 minute, you look good. Let's go to the 15 and 1 hour. So under 137 with a retest, you have room down to 135. That is where your 20 on the hourly will be waiting for you. Above 139.22 up, you look good. Let's get you some resistance. You will have room up to 140, and then you will have room up to 142 on Nvidia. To the moon! Let's go, Nvidia. Chug, baby. I got a lot in long term in that bad boy. Keep tapping. Thank you for the follows. Remember, the VIP is open. If you trade every day and every month, you are not green, get in there. Let me teach you how to trade. If you never traded before and you want to learn, get in there. We will teach you how to trade. Got some new videos coming too in there. Be prepared. MU. I was texting a video editor that I hired. And last night, I'm hammering this guy. And he finally, after messaging me back and forth, he goes, you know, it's 2:30 in the morning here. It was like 7 here. I go, oh, my bad. I said, well, why are you up? He goes, because you keep texting me. I said, well, let's keep working, baby. You get sleep during the afternoon tomorrow. We got work to do. Let's go. Who's got time for sleep? MU above $100 to the upside, under 98.81. He told me I'm crazy. 98.81 to the downside. I said, I hear that all the time. 5 minute, you look good. On the 15, you look good. On the hourly, here's the big boy. Under 98.81, your first stop as support is 98.52. You want to get under 98.52 on MU. To the upside, above 100, you have room up to $101. Market. Why $101, Voss? Well, go to your hourly, and you have the FU candle right here. Do you see it? Whoop! That's the middle finger they gave you at 101. Let's go, team! Let's go, team! Bring it, baby, bring it! Brad with the GOAT! Thank you, Brad with the GOAT and the winning chip. Yeah! Let's go! Microsoft, My Little Pony, how are you over there? I don't even want to know. Let's see, Microsoft. We got a lot of narrow states tomorrow. VIP, sound the alarms. We are narrow state city. Above 409 to the upside. Under 406.68 to the downside on Microsoft. Here we go. 5 minute, you look good. 15 minute, oh yeah. 15 minute, you got room above 409, right to 411 on Microsoft. Mark that level down. 411. Under the whip zone of 406.68 for a short, you have room down to 406. Whole number. Mark that down. Maria Frakowiak with the follow. 2 follows back to back, Maria. How about that? Would you follow? Unfollow and follow again. I appreciate you. Danny Rivian. Let's do it. Let's do it. A lot of VIPers, I got your one-on-one emails. I will get back to you. I'm finishing up the journals today. And then we will book you. Right now on 101's VIPer, I am booked for all of March. We are now into April. Crazy, isn't it? Once we move off of Discord into our new education platform in 2 weeks, you will have a button to book one-on-ones with me. It'll give you a schedule when I have availability, and then you can book it right through there, okay? You don't have to email anymore. Rivian above 1420 to the upside, under 1389 to the downside. Yes, we are getting our way away from the Discord cesspool. 1389 down, 1420 to the upside on Rivian. On the 5 minutes, you have room right down to that pivot, 1377. But let's get a bigger picture on this on Rivian. Above 1420 up, you look good. Under 1389, you have room down. We're going to put you around 1350 here. You're fighting for pennies on Rivian. You are fighting for pennies, okay, on a Rivian. Candy with the winning coin. Candy with the coffee. Yes. Thank you, my Candy. Yay, no more Discord. Yeah, we only used it because that was the only game in town. But now we have a platform that was built out for us. AAP? Advanced Auto Parts. Let's do it for you. We got your Advanced Auto Parts right here. Look. Right now, we are in a narrow state on AAP. Above 48.12 up, under 47.58 down. On the 5-minute, you look good. You're right in the wheelhouse on the 5. On the 15, watch this little guy right here. Under 47.58, watch that granddaddy at 47.50. $0.50 and granddaddy right there, okay? To the downside. On the hourly, you also have your 200 right there beneath you. Nothing short on this under 47.58, okay? Above 48.12 to the upside, you got room up to $49 whole number. $49 whole number on AAP. Let's go. SMCI. Didn't we do this already? Woo! Neutral state here on SMCI. Under 46.44 down, above 48.19 up. 5-minute. Well, where's that 200 on the 5? There he is. He's down there. You're good. 15's good. Hourly. Under 46.44 to the downside, you have room to 43.50. And then $43 whole number. Above 48.19 to the upside. Watch your whole numbers on your way up. 49 and 50. Especially 50. Andrew Westner with the GOAT. Let's go, my babies. Let's go. You're welcome, Erica G. And welcome to the family. Everyone, welcome Erica G to the family. Lido Medina. Apple. The Q's coming up over there on YouTube very shortly. We got your Q's. Mesh the Storyteller. Mr. Dave and KK, can you tell Mr. Mesh where to go to learn what we're doing, please? Thank you. Apple above 245.58 to the moon. Apple is ready to go again. Under 243.91 down. You don't mess with Apple. You don't get rid of Apple, folks. This is not financial investment or tax advice. Use the noggin, all right? Use the noggin. On the 5-minute, 15. 15 look good, man. On the hourly, under 243.91, you have room to 241.81. And then you have room down to 240.50 on Apple, okay? Above the whip zone of 245.58, you come back to your daily, and you have room right up here to 247.50, all right? You got to watch this guy on a daily. Watch that daily pivot. When I do reversals, I go to my daily chart, and I'm looking for a big support or resistance level. You will reject off of those levels 90% of the time, okay, for a reversal. That's a hint for everybody, by the way. Let's go, my babies. Pennant flag on the 15. The only pennant flag I want to see is in Yankee Stadium this year. Yeah, we're going to get it because we won the pennant last year. That's the only pennant flag I'm getting, baby. Let's go. Coin to the moon. Let's see. Pennant flag. Coin. That's a YouTuber. Right now on Coin, we are in a narrow state. Yes, it is. Under 274 down. But Voss, it says 274.17. What do we never trade into? Two things. What are they? Put it in the chat. Under 274 down. Above 280 up. Above 280 up. 274 down for a possible short. On the 5-minute, above 280, you have room up to 283. Well, you will find the granddaddy of them all waiting for you there on the 5. Under 274 down, you look good. 15, you look good. Hourly, yes it is. Under 274 down, you have room to 269. To the upside, we know we have room up to 283 on the 5 right here. See it? Above the whip zone, whoop, right to that guy. Love me tomorrow. Peter Cetera. Anyone like Peter Cetera here? What a voice, huh? Hello, everyone on Instagram. Welcome, YouTube. How are you guys? So I watched a video about the creators of the YouTube algorithm. Now I know why it sucks. If you saw these two, you would understand why it sucks. I was like, what the hell? These two, I wouldn't trust them to put a tent together for me. Nike, let's go. Oh, man, that's funny. Part of my life. We are in a narrow state on Nike. Under 72.95 down, above 73.40 up on Nike. On the 5-minute, for a short, under 72.95 down, you have room down to 72.77 right here. Granddaddy, 72.77 short. To the upside, above 73.40, you look good. Right here, you will have room up to 73.50, and then, yeah, 73.50 right here. 73.50 above 73.37, okay, on Nike. How we doing on a daily on this? Yeah, it's clawing back. It's clawing back. You got to get over your 20 here. 73.84 on the daily. That's what's holding you up on Nike. Let's go, my babies. XRP. Here, they're all going to come flying in now. XRP, currently on the 2-minute, you are in a neutral state coming off that 20. You currently have room up to that pivot right there and that pivot right there coming back up. Watch rejections there or there on XRP for a move back because you will be too far from the 20. And as we know, everybody, all roads lead back to the 20. Yes, it is. Let's go to our 5. Watch these pivots up here. See how you're coming off that 200 right now? Watch these pivots on XRP. On the daily, let's take a look. Pull this back. Boom, boom. Yeah, XRP on the daily looks good. Once this 8 gets over that 20, they're going to want to make a run up to that high over there. Okay? So keep an eye on XRP, everybody, over the next couple days. Andrew Wester with the Crystal Rose. PLTR to the moon. Let's go. PLTR. Let's put our levels in for tomorrow. Whip zone. Here we go. I love when people message me and they're like, Voss, that whip zone level is unbelievable. Yeah, and everyone's marking their pre-market highs and their pre-market lows. Are you successful with that? No. Why do you keep doing it? All right, 120 to the upside. Why? We don't trade into a whole number. 120 to the upside. Under 118.50 to the downside on PLTR. What state are we in? Don't say Alabama. We are in a neutral state on PLTR. On the 5-minute, under 118.57, you have room down to 117.50, where you will find the granddaddy of them all. Above 120 up, you still look good. Above 120, you got room up to 121 on PLTR. 117.50 on the hourly to the downside, and 117.50 on the 5-minute to the downside. Double confirmation, major support level, major demand level. 117.50. Excuse me. Ian Sheppy with the rose. Thank you, Ian Sheppy. Yes, it is. Thank you. When you guys put on your silence on your iPhones, I always choose the driving one. Which one do you always choose? I always choose the driving one. It seems to work better. Rounder with the rose. Yes, why not into a whole number? VIP, please tell sweet Erica why we never trade into whole numbers. And never into the 200. Never, 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 never. See, Erica, boom, back up. No, naughty boy. Look, into the 200. Boom, back the other way. Never, don't do it. JPM, let's go. I can't believe all these traders don't know any of this stuff. It breaks my heart. Oh, so many losses they have taken, and they don't know why. Right now, we are in a neutral state on JPM, under 276.46 down, above 278 up. Erica, the whip zone level is 277.84. We do not trade into the whole number right there, 228. Last time you tried to trade it to 228 right here on JPM, boom, to the downside. No, get over 278. Get over 278. On the 5-minute, under the whip zone, watch that 200 there at 276.26 to the downside. Watch that short. Got to get under that, all right? 15-minute, hourly, above 278. You have room up to 279 on JPM. Yes, yes, yes. Joey, I got to show this, Joey. All our amateur traders, are you ready? There you go. There's your chart. I love my VIP. Nat with the chili. Let's go. How many of you have charts that look like that? How many charts do you look like that? Come on. Tell me. When you come into our VIP, this is what your chart's going to look like. Refreshing. Justin says, what do we mean about whole numbers? Whole numbers, 278. 279, 277, 276. Those are whole numbers with zeros at the end of them. Let's go to the moon. Alejandro Ramirez Valiente, welcome to the Discord. Remember, the VIP is open. If you want to learn how to trade, folks, and learn about all of this stuff, whole numbers, half dollars, the 20, the 200, the granddaddy, double tops, double bottoms. The market cycle, for crying out loud. Get in that VIP. Let us teach you how to trade. Aren't you tired of losing? Really, say that to yourself. Tomorrow, the bell's going to go off. You say to yourself, I'm going to lose again. I mean, I don't want to laugh, but I'm going to lose again. I've been there. I did that for 10 years. The bell will go off, and I'm sweating like a hog every morning. I was sweating like a hog. By the time I was done trading, everyone would be like, you're exhausted. Yeah, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm a nervous wreck every single day. Could you imagine that? Oof. I know what you're going through. It's terrible. VIP right here, thevosstrading.com. Click the link in my bio or just go to the website, thevosstrading.com. Thevosstrading.com. $25 a month, $275 for the year, and we will teach you how to trade. After you get in there, what do they all say, VIP, after they get in there? What took me so long? Well, you got to do it at your own pace, I guess. You got to do it at your own pace, folks. How do I get my levels? You'll learn all of that in the VIP. Nvidia. And you're going to learn how to trade without pre-market and post-market data. How about that, everybody? Yes. Most of your losses are in the pre-market, right? Right, penny stock traders? Right? Nvidia. Let's go. We are in a neutral state. Above 139.22 up, under 137 down on Nvidia. 137. Why is it, Erica, where are you? Why am I putting 137 and not 137.37 for the whip zone bottom. Why am I giving you 137? Tell me, Erica. A, B, C, D, E, F. I'm glad you know the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I love it. You know the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Everyone singing it. T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Where's Erica? Whole number. Yeah. Now, tomorrow when the bell goes off, Erica, when you're about to trade into a whole number and you don't, you're going to say, I remember that Voss guy. He's right. Yes. Wait till you get in the VIP. King C with the rose. Lana Sue with the rose. King C-Rod with another rose. Let's go. Let's go. We're learning in here. We are learning. What about opening range breakout? Trader Mark Juice. Do I have to do it? Opening range breakouts. The buzzword. What's the other buzzword? Give me another buzzword, VIP. Give me another buzzword. The fair value gap. You don't see that anymore on TikTok. Why is that? It was like buying the next best thing. The fair value gap. The FVG, the fair value gap, because it doesn't work. Who was the first one to say that? What was it, 3-4 months ago? I said, it'll be gone. It'll be gone. Yeah. Become a real trader, guys. Stop the nonsense. God almighty. The Q. Sorry, KK.
The opening range breakout.
And I'm not laughing at you, my brother. I'm sorry, trader. I wasn't laughing at you. I'm laughing at the person who came up with the scheme. Right now on the Qs, you are in a neutral state. Yes, it is. Above 539 up. Erica, 538.85 is the top level. Why are we going above 539? Whole number. Mr. Dave. Under 537 to the downside, folks. Trust me, Erica. My method and the reason I do these things, it works. It'll be in your mind, okay? Just like Granddaddy. You will always remember the Granddaddy's the 200. Ask the VIPers, they'll tell you. 537 down. Hold on. And this is why we don't say pennants.
Bull flag. Bull flag. Cup and handle. Is that a cup and is that a handle here?
And you're out there marking it, right? You're sitting there with a marker in your head going, is that a cup? Does that look like a cup? Is that a handle right there? And then you take your cup out, your coffee cup, and you put it up against the stock chart, and you're trying to figure out what the hell's going on. Stop the nonsense. The Qs. Under 537 down, you have room to 536. Market 536. Let's go to the hourly. 536. If you get under 536 on the Qs, you got room down to 533. Above 539 to the upside. And you look good. Watch the whole numbers to the upside. 540, 541, etc., etc. King C. Papato. Let's go. Thank you, King C. with the roses. And Lana Sue. I love you. I love you guys. Let's go. If you haven't yet, follow us on Instagram, official Voss Trading. Follow us on YouTube, official Voss Trading. Follow us on Twitch, official Voss Trading. Follow us on X, Voss Trading. Duco, the purple dog. There he is with the rose. Duco, is that dog purple? I want to know. King C with the rose. Sofi. Sofi. Wow, look at those whip zones from the other day. Woo! Oh, well, hold on. Hold on, everybody. Hold on. Why? Look at this. Narrow state. Narrow state. Woo! Oh, these little kitties. They'll get it eventually. Right now, what they do is they take my levels, and then every day they mark down how many times I'm right, and then once they get to like 20, they join. Sofi above 1630 up, under $16 down on Sofi. On the 5-minute, above 1627, you have room up to 1650. 1650 on Sofi. On the hourly, under $16, you have room down to 1550. 1550. Market. Let's go, team. IWM. One thing I'll give you a hint about IWM traders. When you get in a trade, if it's going to work right away. That's a hint for you. If it's struggling, get out. Right now on IWM, you are in a neutral state. Under 225.66 down, above 226.36 up on IWM. Well, boy, I see that little sucker lurking. I saw the yellow. Under 225.66 for a short down. You have room to 225 whole number. On the hourly, above 226, you have room up to 228. IWM market, it is in a neutral state. So what am I going to be looking at tomorrow? Are you guys ready? Write these down. Are you ready? What does Voss do? He sits down, goes live for you all. I get off the live, and I got 5 minutes to look at my Sterling Trader Pro. You want to see what I do? Are you ready? Let's do it. AMD, narrow. I'm looking at it. Google, narrow. I'm looking at it. Amazon, narrow. I'm looking at it. Uber, narrow. I'm looking at it. JPM, neutral. Nope. Boeing, narrow. I'm looking at it. Speaking of Boeing, why we are here, let's do it. Boeing, sound the alarm. Woo! We are in a narrow state on Boeing, above 185 to the upside. Erica, 185 up. Under 183.75 down. On the 5-minute, above 185. Guess what, everybody? Guess what? Here's a perfect example. Above 184.72 into a whole number, you will also be going into the granddaddy. Double whammo! Whole number with granddaddy? Never. That's like you trying to run into a brick wall. Don't do it. Get over 185 up on Boeing, above 185, and not a poke through. A lot of traders see it move up. Let me show you guys this. A lot of traders will see this going, oh, it broke it. I'm into the moon. No, it's gonna come right back. That is a poke through of the granddaddy and the whole number. You need a pullback, and then you're into the upside. Now you have broken it, and you're coming off the 200, which is now support, okay? So above 185 up. 15-minute, you look good. Hourly, let's get the big picture. Above 185 up, and you have room up to 186, where you will have a double top on the hourly. 186. Under 183.78, and you will have room, boom, right down to 182 market. And that, my friends, is how you map out price action. Thank you. Stock money with the rose. King C, yes, with the rose. Anything else? And remember, folks, let me put this back for tomorrow. Okay, you ready? Stocks go up. Commodities come down. I'll use commodities. And they go sideways. So anytime you see something ripping up to the upside, what do most new traders do? Ready? Here it goes to the moon. No, you're too far from the 20. You're coming back. You're too far from the 20. You're coming back. Listen, I don't make the rules. I just learned how to play the game. And that's what you need to do. Learn how to play the game. You don't want to be Ernie the trader saying, I
don't care what everybody else is doing. I'm getting in here because I think it's going up.
No, no, no. Lotta Sue. Thank you, Lotta Sue. Oh, I love being on here with you guys. I hope you are all learning. Seriously. We like to joke around a little bit on here because we need to keep this fun. You don't want me to be that guy that you see on here at 2 a.m. that goes, okay, the stock's moving up right now. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I think we're going to come up. Well, we're going to buy right here, everybody. Look, we're going to buy right here, everybody. And then it goes the other way and he signs off. And my VIPers are in there going, don't go long. Don't go long. And then he signs off. Sorry, XRP. Try to warn him, right?
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Voss said, watch this level right here.
Whammo! Guys, it's like taking candy from a baby. What do you? I made all the mistakes that you've made. But see, what you don't see, you only see Voss, the good trader now. You didn't see Voss, the bad trader. All right? You didn't see Voss, the bad trader. Guys, this is a no-brainer. It doesn't matter what you're trading. You're coming up to that level, man. I said that level or that level if you break. No. Whoop. Back down to the granddaddy you come. And then the granddaddy, you can look for a move back up. All right? Now you're too far from this 20, so don't get in this now. Over and over and over. I will teach you how to trade properly. Period. End of story. You know where to get into it. The link is in my VIP, in my bio. It's thevosstrading.com. Thank you so much. Lotta Sue, Stock Money, Andrew, King C, Duco.